Look at this. It's a real working Royal Match hack for 2025 without a computer. I have unlimited lives, unlimited coins, unlimited stars, unlimited boosters. I turned on the unlimited coins just so you can see. But let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this because a lot of people do not know how to get it. And I am tired of seeing videos online that show you how to get outdated versions of the Royal Match hack. So to get it, we need to go to zoomods.com, a site that is not really known, it seems. So once we're on the site, we're going to type in Royal Match. So let me just do that. And as you can see, Royal Match right there, and it will start downloading. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be a verification you got to do. It's a one-time process, mainly aimed at iPhone users. I'm not sure you have to do it if you're on an Android, but I'm on an iPhone, so I am going to have to do it. But let's just wait for this to download here just so you guys can see. It's pretty easy. Shouldn't take long at all. So now we're going to be reloading up to a new page where it asks us to do the verification. So as you can see, it says, please install 3 free apps to automatically install the mod. You only have to do 2. I'm not sure why it says 3. But anyway, guys, you can see them. They are very dumb, but they are necessary. Now, the reason that people don't do well during this process is they press on the app, they press tap to install, and it brings you to the App Store. And then they download the app and they don't reach level 10. Look at this. Most of these games say reach level 10. You have to do that. So anyway, guys, I'll see you later. But I did Family Island just for reference, so if you guys were wondering which one I did. But yeah, you want to make sure you do like 2 of them. And I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, you're probably going to have different apps, and that's fine. But anyway, guys, after you're done, you should get your Royal Match hack. And you can enable unlimited lives, unlimited coins, and unlimited stars, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. Be sure to subscribe, and peace out.